In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an Authenticator app to your Gmail account. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security when signing in. First, open any internet browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Click on your profile icon and select Manage your Google account. From the left side, click on Security. Scroll down and find two-step verification and open it. Now scroll down until you see the Authenticator option. Click on it and then press Setup. You'll now see a QR code on your screen. Next, grab your phone and install the Google Authenticator app if you don't already have it. Open the app and tap on the plus icon. Select Scan a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code shown on your computer. Once the account is added, go back to your computer and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code shown in the app. Then click Verify. After that, turn on two-step verification to finish the setup. And that's it, your Gmail account is now more secure with an Authenticator. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more security tips.